In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these little origami vintage style dresses using cardstock. You're going to start with a piece of cardstock 6 by 6 inches. Place it face down. Fold it in half, making sure you got a good crease. Open it up, fold the outside edges into the middle. Open it and flip it over so that the pattern portion's up. Take the crease and put it again in the middle. And take the other folded crease and put it in the middle. Crease everything really well. The alligator clip makes it easier on the fingers. Turn the whole thing over. Take the bottom portion and fold it up towards the top, leaving about 1/3 of an inch or a centimeter for us Canadians at the top. Again, do the good crease at the bottom. You're going to fold it back over top of itself, leaving 1/3 of an inch at the bottom as well. Turn it over so the pattern is up. You'll see where you have a bit of a top part that's going to be the blouse and the bottom part that's going to be the skirt. Fold the top part corners on the inside like you're seeing to make a little collar. Now you're going to make the skirt. You're going to take the little parts on the corner and lift them up a little bit and carefully and softly fold the A-line in the middle. See how it makes that pleat? And we're going to do it on the other side. Turn it over. This is the hardest part. You're going to take this top part and pull it down very carefully without folding it, without ripping it. You're going to flatten the top to create a V-neck. The back should look kind of like a square. Crease it really well. Now I want you to take and fold the side over for the top portion and create a little bit of an A-line along the side of the skirt portion. Going to do exactly the same thing on the other side. You're almost done. Give it a really good crease. See those two little white parts at the top? I want you to fold them underneath, and that's going to form your little cap sleeves. There, your dress is all folded.